Today we're gonna make this delicious cinnamon bun wreath, perfect for Christmas morning. Pillsbury cinnamon buns have been something that I've remembered since my childhood, and they were always a sweet treat. And so now my kids love them, but I don't really allow them to have them too often. So this will be a treat for Christmas. So I'm gonna take these for Christmas morning. This will be a great breakfast idea. We're gonna take 2 cans of our cinnamon rolls, and we're gonna take a baking sheet. I'm gonna spray the baking sheet. I've preheated the oven to 350, and we're gonna open these up. I mean, this has not changed since I was little. So we're gonna take these, oh, there's our icing, all ready for you. So we're gonna take these out, and we're gonna arrange them into a wreath shape. So it'll be an extra special treat for you guys on Christmas. Perfect, so now we have our wreath shape here. That's all you need to do, and then we're gonna bake these in the oven according to the package, and then we'll ice them to make a special treat for Christmas morning. We've baked our beautiful cinnamon buns. Now we're gonna top it with this delicious icing that comes right with the Pillsbury cinnamon buns. So we're gonna put that right on top. Look at that, deliciously iced. And now we'll top it off with some craisins for the red color for our Christmas treat. And then we're gonna add a little bit of red sprinkles. Since we're already having so much sugar, might as well add a little bit more. Perfect. And this is ready for our Christmas table. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.